Today we are riding the Revelstoke Bike Park. So far we've had a super sick morning. The bike park here is an absolute blast. Anyway, we're going to be changing it up just a little bit. I'm going to be giving Justin the GoPro. Now Justin is an absolutely sick rider. He's got so much style, so this should be a lot of fun to watch.
We good, brother?
Got it.
If it isn't obvious, Justin is a sick rider. This guy is so much better than me, and honestly, he should be the one making YouTube videos, not me, because I look slow in comparison to him. But I love riding with these guys. John, Justin, and Tyler, they're all super sick riders, and they all push you to try a little bit harder and to send it a little bit bigger. If you want to be a better rider, you have to ride with guys better than you, so I love having these guys to ride with. Anyways, let's continue watching this glorious ride down Bagful of Booty. I've brought this up in the past, but Revelstoke's vertical is insane. What you've seen so far is not multiple clips from multiple trails. This is all from one trail, and we're not even halfway down the thing yet. It's actually insane how much riding you get in one lap. So although Revelstoke only really has like 5 trails at the moment, all of those trails are like 8 kilometers long, with one of those trails being like 15 kilometers long, which is insane. If you haven't seen the video of us riding that, I highly recommend you check it out. But the elevation change on this mountain is nuts. I can't wait to come back to this place in 5 years or so and see what it's like. It's gonna be mind-blowing. Anyways, it's time for us to keep going. After this lap, it was time for us to have lunch, where we were going to run into some pretty crazy birds.
Right here, John. John, right here.
There they are. Woo!
That's awesome, man.
That's so sweet. Where they at? Yeah, I just did. You just missed it. There it is. Yeah. That's so sick. Yeah. That's so wild. Want some? There you go.
Oh, live.
That's wild. Woo! Do it again.
Where is that? Go to the hot springs. You gotta take it. It's free though. How far is it?
Yeah. That's hilarious.
Here he comes, here he comes.
That's so crazy.
Okay.
They're so fast.
But there's other hot springs. There's Halston hot springs too, and there's
That's hilarious.
two natural ones.
Today been an absolutely awesome day so far. I love ripping with these guys, and it's always a good time. And lucky for us, we still got time for one more run, top to bottom. Should be sick. But you're gonna have to wait for that in the next one. Stay tuned.